Hey guys, welcome to Liam's DIY channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to caulk round a socket. Because as you can see, there's a gap. It goes round. So a bit of caulk just tidies that up and hides the dark edge and makes it a lot nicer to walk past. Obviously it's the same for a light switch as well. So I'm going to pop the camera down and get to it. So I find it's a lot easier if you have your nozzle cut to a 45-degree angle. Just makes it easier to get in that joint. Just apply a little bit of pressure to the handle and follow the line. Obviously you want to go all the way around to the socket. Little things like this just makes the appearance a lot neater. And obviously make sure you get underneath as well. So with that done, I find also it's a lot easier to have a very damp cloth or a bit of tissue, or even wet wipes are useful. But if you haven't got any wipes, obviously tissue's fine. And wet your finger as well. And then you could literally just run your finger along and down. Any excess, wipe on the tissue, wet your finger again, go over that again. See, a bit more excess. Now we'll do the same. We'll do up here, round the corner, and on the bottom, round the corner, and around that corner there. So I find with very wet tissue it makes it easier to neaten the finish up, because if your hands are dry the caulk will just stick to you and it'll be a very messy job. Any excess just rub off. Literally spend a couple of minutes making it look neat and tidy. And it's done. Pick the camera back up for you. As you can see, that gap now is gone. Just makes the overall finish around the socket a lot neater. And for the sake of a 2-minute job, it certainly makes a difference. That's it. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next one. Cheers guys, bye.